A cosmic question: are we alone? Are we alone in the universe? It's a question that has captivated humanity for centuries. We look up at the night sky, filled with billions of stars and galaxies, and we can't help but wonder if there are other forms of life out there. Could we, in fact, be aliens ourselves? The question of our origins has been a source of endless fascination and debate. Did life on Earth arise spontaneously, or could it have been seeded from elsewhere in the cosmos? Some scientists believe that life, or at least the building blocks of life, could have arrived on Earth from other planets or even other star systems. This idea challenges our traditional understanding of human evolution and raises profound questions about our place in the universe. If we are indeed descended from extraterrestrial ancestors, it would mean that we are not alone, and that life may be far more widespread than we ever imagined. The seeds of humanity, life's beginnings on Earth. The prevailing scientific theory for the origin of life on Earth is abiogenesis. This theory suggests that life arose from non-living matter through a process of chemical evolution. Billions of years ago, the early Earth was a very different place than it is today. The atmosphere was a toxic mix of gases, and the oceans were a primordial soup of organic molecules. Over millions of years, these organic molecules began to interact and form more complex structures. Eventually, these structures gave rise to the first self-replicating molecules, which are the precursors to life as we know it. While abiogenesis is the most widely accepted theory, it is important to note that it is still a theory. We have not yet been able to recreate the conditions of early Earth in a laboratory setting to prove definitively that abiogenesis is possible. This leaves open the possibility that other factors, such as extraterrestrial influences, may have played a role in the origin of life. Ancient astronauts and cosmic connections. The idea that extraterrestrial beings may have visited Earth in the distant past has been a popular theme in science fiction and mythology for centuries. Some proponents of this theory point to ancient structures, like the pyramids of Egypt and the Nazca lines in Peru, as evidence of advanced technology that could not have been created by humans at the time. They argue that these structures were built with the help of extraterrestrial visitors who shared their knowledge and technology with our ancestors. While these theories are intriguing, they lack concrete scientific evidence. Most archaeologists and historians believe that these ancient structures can be explained through conventional means such as human ingenuity, cooperation, and the passage of time. Section 4. Panspermia, life from the stars. Panspermia is a scientific hypothesis that proposes that life did not originate on Earth, but instead was transported to our planet from elsewhere in the universe. This theory suggests that microorganisms or even the building blocks of life could have hitched a ride on comets, asteroids, or even interstellar dust particles traveling through the vastness of space to eventually reach our planet. These celestial travelers could have carried with them the seeds of life that eventually took root and flourished on early Earth. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence supporting panspermia is the discovery of organic molecules in meteorites. These meteorites, which originated in outer space, have been found to contain amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, and other organic molecules essential for life. This discovery suggests that the ingredients for life may be more common in the universe than we previously thought. Section 5. The evidence, a universe of possibilities. While the idea of extraterrestrial ancestry is certainly intriguing, it's important to examine the evidence with a critical eye. As of now, there is no definitive proof that we are descended from aliens. The evidence we do have is largely circumstantial and open to interpretation. For example, the discovery of organic molecules in meteorites suggests that the building blocks of life can exist in space, but it doesn't necessarily mean that life itself originated elsewhere. Similarly, the existence of unexplained phenomena, such as UFO sightings, does not automatically point to an extraterrestrial explanation. Section 6. Our place in the cosmos. A journey of discovery. The question of our origins is ultimately a journey of discovery, a quest to understand our place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. Whether we are the product of abiogenesis on Earth, descendants of ancient astronauts, or beneficiaries of panspermia, one thing is certain: We are part of something much larger than ourselves. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and we are only just beginning to scratch the surface of its secrets. As we continue to explore the cosmos and learn more about our own planet, we may one day find the answers to these age-old questions. Until then, the possibility that we are not alone in the universe will continue to inspire our imaginations and fuel our thirst for knowledge.